Take 69. Action.
Hey guys, wake up, wake up.
Huh? What?
Mommy!
Guess what?
No school.
Huh?
No school.
Whew. Jesus. You need to calm down. Let's just sit, relax, and enjoy it.
Tactical nuke incoming!
What? What? Get to cover! Ah! Guys, since we got our day off, let's go on an adventure. Time for some roll call. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
So what are we doing today?
Well, we're gonna be searching for the Illuminati owl.
Search around for it. Oh, I found it! I found it! I'm going with the camera! I'm going with the camera! Okay, gotta go get it! Okay, I'm here! I'm here with the camera! Say cheese! Good job! Okay, wait a second. You see that? Oh my god. I think we found Illuminati, guys. Guys, Illuminati. Well, time to do the Illuminati a nice sacrifice. Okay, guys, I spotted the owl at night. It is now sleeping. We are going to go up and try to get it. Hope for luck for me. Here we go. Oh god, I found it! Huh? Huh? Hey!
Small